All right, for this quick lesson, I'd like to show you how to save something correctly so I'm able to listen to it and get all of the audios on here stored and organized in a way that works for everybody. So the first thing you're going to want to do is save it. When you go up to File, Save As, I've already done this for mine, so nothing's going to pop up for a title or anything, but you want to make sure you're always saving it. The last final step when you're ready to share it with me, you're going to go up here to Share, Export Song to Disk. And I know that probably sounds a little weird because it's not necessarily a song and we're not making this into a disk, but this is the way we're rolling. Export song to disk. Up here you can give it a name. Please put your name on here so I'm able to identify that this is you. Even though I'll see your email, it will just be really helpful for me. I'm going to save mine to my desktop. You want to make sure it's an MP3. Sometimes it automatically selects the AAC. It has to be an MP3 for this to work the way we need it to. So please make sure it's MP3, high quality if that's an option, and then export. Now that I have mine on my desktop, which we will see right here, it has the music note here to help us. I'm going to open up my Google Drive and I'm going to drag this from my desktop into my Google Drive. Super easy. So now down here you'll notice that it's uploading. Whoa, really fast. It's uploaded, it's complete. And now I want to share it. Instead of sharing it with my school email, it would be really great if you could share it with my school Gmail account that I use. So we're all on the same Gmail page, which is koppelmolly@gmail.com. Super complicated, I know. I'll put it on the website as well. koppelmolly@gmail.com. Please I'm not going to edit, but just so I can move these around, please allow me to have access to edit. And then you're going to send it. Simple as that. And I will go from there and I will do everything else that we need to, hopefully, to get this done. Super easy. Good luck. I know you guys can do this.